Impact!
For $5,000.
For $20,000.
$10,000.
$5,000.
For $3,000. They're here tonight. These guys have impact.
So I mostly just shoot centerfire, a little bit of 22, but mostly centerfire. So I came here because this is like the air gun of PRS. So I was like, you know what, I'll try it.
Awesome shooting, awesome time, great job. Impact. Let's get ready for the big board. Again, congratulations, you guys. Matt, you suck for not being here, but impact.
And it wasn't just difficult because you were shooting little teeny targets at out to 300 yards.
No, Jeffrey got two more relays.
You guys, every single one of you up here, you all get an Umrex Notos for free. Okay?
We got a lot to give away.
Red! Blue! Red! Blue! Red! Red! Blue!
In the morning, when you're shooting at 200 plus yards with winds from 8 to 15 miles an hour in different directions.
There's no plan to shoot the left target to hit the right one.
Me and Ben were always talking about we need to do work with Dave to see what we can do, make all these products, you know?
Day one, and the wind is definitely different.
Red! Red
And these guys are crazy fast. So, congratulations, you guys.
With the back-to-back-to-back bench press champion.
Yep.
Tap down here, those were
So I shoot.
Impact.
What do you think, Abner?
It's impossible. It's impossible. Gotta wait.
Followed it. I don't fight it.
AEAC is made possible by Air Venturi, Hawksport Optics, Diana Airguns, FX Airguns, Sabre Tactical, Air Arms, Leapers and UTG Pro, Zan Projectiles, Air Marksman, and Predator JSB Match Diablo. And you guys know the best way to thank them. Alright guys, before we get too deep into this, I wanted to let you know that the vast majority of the footage shot for this video was not taken by me. In May, out ahead of the event, I began to experience a high level of lower lumbar nerve pain. A CAT scan and MRI revealed that my L4-L5 disc was bulging a bit and compressing the nerve. And against the advice of my doctors, I traveled to RMAC anyway. And that turned out to be a huge mistake and disaster for me. 24 hours in and I spent the night on the floor of the rental house in screaming, buckling, crippling back spasms. And after laying there for 3 miserable days, I flew home. So a big thank you to Utah Airguns, the Airgun Nation Forum, Donnie FL and Sabre Tactical, and Hajimoto Productions for all of the donated video footage. Without you guys, I wouldn't have had a video this year. So 8 weeks later and 6 epidural steroid injections later, and I am finally back up on my feet. With that, thank you everybody for your patience with my absence and delay, and let's carry on.
So, on that note,
Hey man. How is it going?
What you working on?
Snuck up on me.
Yeah, I did. Boo!
Working on a red panda. It's
It's not what you were shooting last time I saw you.
No, it's not.
These guys don't know you. Who are you?
I'm Adam Michael from Green Bay, Wisconsin, and I'm here at RMAC 2024.
And what's your claim to fame, Adam?
I won Northeast Classic 2023.
Yeah, you did.
I've got jigs in the range you're more welcome to use.
Oh, hey, man. I know this guy.
I know that guy.
Man, I watched a ton of your videos, man,
thank you,
on
thank
YouTube.
You. New toys?
New toys, houses. New toys.
Tell us about it. What'd you get, man? A knife for?
You know, you always find this communication with the FX and they sit together.
Yeah, that's rare. It's like jumbo shrimp.
Yeah.
We are teammates in Lebanon.
From Lebanon.
Very
We
cool.
are from
you got
Lebanon.
yourself from Lebanon?
Yes.
Oh, you're a long way from home. FX and
They stayed
We are
broke
the best friends and shooting as a team this year.
Yes.
Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Mi nombre es Monchis, gracias por estar aquí. Y a todos mis amigos también, amigos de Chile, en español, otros amigos de Chile. Bolivia.
Bolivia chileno.
Mucha gente español. ¿Ya hablas español?
a little.
You need to speak Spanish.
I understand more than
All right. Los invitamos a todos que si algún día pueden ser parte de esta experiencia, la verdad que es de lo mejor que pueda haber, ver tanta gente famosa principalmente. Ya con estar aquí es un sueño, la verdad. Ya se la pasa uno de lo mejor, se lo recomiendo muchísimo.
I've seen what it can do. It's crazy accurate. That bull barrel, I mean, it's the first one to come out with a true bull barrel, and the shot cycle is smooth, and it can literally put pellets hole in hole. Not one ragged hole, I mean hole in hole.
Exciting. I'll look forward to seeing how you do with it.
Thank you.
This is a Utah.
Man, what is all this stuff?
Free giveaways.
Free
Swing by the booth tomorrow for pellets, and more pellets.
Zeiss has made a very generous offer that we can use as spotters. So if you need a spotting scope, go back and talk to the gentleman.
What you're watching here, guys, is the Wednesday out ahead of the event. It's called Range Day. It's a day of registration, sight-in, practice, and sponsor demos. And the folks you've been watching here are setting in at 100 yards for the RMAC 100 event, with most of them being from out of state and out of country. So their rifles are going to need a sight-in and most definitely a retune too. The Rocky Mountain Airgun Challenge is a 4-day competition and always spans over a Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. There are 4 main events broken into 2 classes depending on your abilities, a Sportsman class and a Pro class. The 4 main events of the RMAC 100, which is a 100-yard bench rest competition, the Precision Marksman Challenge, which is a PRS-style event shooting out to distances of 200 yards, the Slug Challenge, which is a big bore event shooting out to elevated distances of 300 yards, and the Speed Challenge, which is a fastest wins event shooting out to distances of 60 yards. And in case you're scratching your head as to why hundreds of people have come here from all around the world and are working their heinies off, it's for this $99,750 in cash prizes and a ton more in table prizes and raffle winnings.
This gun shoots so good. So good.
Once you've done that, set your wind flags, and then we'll get you guys started. You have 10 minutes. 10 minutes to set your wind flags.
And then I got
Thank you for letting me shoot.
really heavy
Yeah,
duty.
that's fine. I want more people shooting, try it.
Yeah, the more people, the better.
We're doing science and math, but my shoes are still on.
Yep, so we can only go up to about 9.5.
That should be okay.
That should be good there, so.
Yeah.
It's like the line of slayers here. Number 1.
Ya, pues pegaste como una cuarta. Como una cuarta base.
And number 3.
If I'm seeing vertical string, I might be jarred. So I open this, soften the gun up a little bit. So watch, I'll just open just barely, okay? Here, that's it, okay? So let's try it again. And I'll go, let's go to the 4th target over on the bottom row, okay? Oh, it's kind of been shot, but you'll see it. Here we go, ready? See it? High right. See that?
Yeah.
Ooh. But wind, you see how it leveled out?
Now is horizontal.
The first two went through the exact same hole.
Yeah.
Exact same hole.
Hi, Michael! Who's in there? Mr. Chris. How did I knew that? I knew that was somebody like you.
RMAC 2024, baby.
Are you with Welch?
No.
No?
Oh yeah, of course I am. Right? I want to claim that. Is that good or bad? Wait.
That's a good claim.
Okay.
That's a good claim.
All right. I don't know where that puts me in the ranking. If I want to admit it or not.
They better watch out for you.
But yeah, look at all fancy. Whatever. At least I got the best looking gun. That's win or lose, right?
There you go.
Everyone else is on one
Can we tackle this later?
$4,200, Phil.
Getting it all dialed in?
Yes, of course. It's really good to be here. Really good.
It's really good to see everybody.
Of course. Same language. All of us are air gunners.
That's right. The
shooting almost all the day, so it's really good.
The language of air gunning, right?
Yes.
It's a good one. I like that. So this is Team Donnie FL's Saber Tactical practicing at a private locale out in the high desert. Probably the Monday or Tuesday out ahead of the event. And here they are again on the official practice day, Wednesday. Those targets you see downrange are set to 100 yards.
We don't care. We want a different channel. Okay, and then we want our trigger sensitivity.
Select.
How's the wind?
Everyone's listening, Chris.
Yeah. As long as I can read the wind, I'll do it.
Feeling good?
Oh yeah, well, I'm feeling all right.
Welcome to RMAC 2024. You guys make it that way.
So now they're getting the official event kicked off, and this would be Thursday, day one, consisting of the first 11 RMAC 100 heats, 7 for the pro class and 4 for the sportsman class. And the sportsmen will also be beginning their precision marksman challenge courses today.
You don't have to go far. Anywhere's next level in Florida compared to our best.
We've got over 220 shooters again this year, 16 countries competing, 22 countries attending.
Way left. 5 targets left.
Impact.
1 minute, 10 seconds.
6 out of 10, not too shabby. It's a little tough shooting off the top of that chairlift there. A little bit wobbly. But I'm happy with 6, especially with that long 110-yard target shooting off the top of that rail.
Yeah.
So I'm happy with it. Heart rate's up a little bit though.
Heart rate.
Woo!
No time for fun with one.
Impact. Impact.
30 seconds, shooter.
All right.
More than 2 or less.
Spotter, are you ready?
Oh yeah.
Shooter, are you ready?
Yeah. Stand by. Engage.
Oh no.
Impact.
This team has been voted most likely to sunburn.
Impact. Or move the back on the Impact. Impact.
So, got the raw HM1000. I've got a aftermarket Plenum. Throwing some 30 grainers out there at 950. So, doing pretty good. Ergo grip, Athon Harroscope. So, pretty basic, pretty modest, but she runs. So
she runs.
Runs.
Great. Out of all the events you guys host here, which one's your favorite?
By far, PMC.
That's time.
Friday kicks off the speed challenge for both pro class and sportsman, and has 11 more RMAC 100 heats, 7 for the pro class and 4 for sportsman, whose combined cards from Thursday and Friday will determine who makes it to the RMAC 100 finals on Sunday. Speed challenge works similarly, but it's head-to-head, with winners accruing points and losers not, with Friday's winners advancing to a final speed showdown also on Sunday.
Pretty smooth, and it's a race.
There we go. You see, we've got to have a traditional let's point the camera at each other session.
So if they look at them at the same time, do they see eternity?
What do you think, John?
A little bit of wind here today.
White. White. Green. White. That was a red. Blue. Blue.
Engage.
Blue. Blue.
Red.
Blue. Blue.
Hey, Heavy. What's the word?
It was going really good. Lots of 8s, a couple 10s, and then it's getting a little crazier.
Blue. 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 One more time. Was it Michael Powers? White. 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 Green. White. White.
What's up, Mike?
How you feeling, buddy?
I got to make up 3 points, our 3 positions, so feeling pretty good. This wind is going to really level the playing field. Yes, yesterday I shot a little switchy, but some high scores, so hopefully I can keep it there.
Thank you.
Was it all pros that started with?
Do you have 2 more stages?
How are you shooting? For 3.
You guys understand the course of fire? If you're on the left, are you ready? If you're on the right, are you ready? Mark, you ready? Hitter, stand by. Engage. Green, white, white, green, green, blue, blue, blue,
Okay, Jason from Utah Airguns here. We're about to shoot our second card of interest. It's a little windy, but we're all excited and we're really anxious to see how these scores are going to turn out. So we'll see you in 30 minutes.
Is that your rifle?
It's my girlfriend's. But, you know, what's mine is hers and what's hers is hers.
Well.
white, blue, white, white, green, white.
No!
Come on, Fuller!
15 minutes remaining, 15 minutes remaining. If you fired all your shots for record, would like to put your rifle away, just get the RSO's attention. We'll come check it out for you.
All right, Eber, final thoughts.
Very crazy wind. 3 MOA holding to the right, 4 MOA holding to the left on the next shot. So,
wow.
It's, I mean, when you got such a big gap, it's impossible. It's impossible. But good thing is that everybody's shooting under the same circumstances. So, I mean, I just did my best.
Saturday is a big day at RMAC with both the pro class and the sportsman class each having 4 heats of the Big Bore Slug Challenge. It's also a day where the pro class begins its more advanced precision Marksman Challenge obstacle courses. And the pressure's on because today is the only day where they'll have a chance to accrue points.
Impact! Impact! Impact!
Can I get time?
39 seconds.
Oh! Okay.
Time, please.
10, 9.
Impact. Impact.
Hey shooters, if you're making your way up here from the lower range, just go ahead and stay in the shade, take a little bit of a break. We've got to finish up a couple of squads, and then we've got to fix a couple of targets, call range call, fix some targets, and then we'll get started.
Impact.
So on this stage I'm standing on, just FYI, it is a live broadcast, so rated PG today, all right? When you're live on the broadcast, you gotta, you know.
All right, Dylan, just finished. What do they call this stage?
They call this the, let's check. I don't
Wile
know.
E. Coyote. Let's just go with that one.
We call it the arch support needed.
Arch support needed.
That's true. You do need arch support. But yeah, wind is gusting anywhere from 5 to 10 miles an hour. So that drastically changes your wind bracket almost by double. If it goes from 5 to 10, it'll double your wind bracket. And so I kind of experienced that on the 165 target. I needed more wind on the first shot, needed less wind on the second, and on the third one I finally got her down. Then I was high at 200. It took me, the let's see, yeah, it took me a shot to figure it out, and then the second one blowing off the edge. And then for the remainder of the stage, everything went pretty smooth, so.
Sportsmen, if you want to put your wind flags out, now is a good time to do it.
Stand by. Engage.
Impact!
Nice hit. Good job. That first one? Yeah, it's sitting down. Yeah, it's a loaded touch, so it's perfect. Yeah, because like you changed it by a half inch. It was awesome.
Impact.
You guys on your next? 172-yard target with 3 shots, 91-yard target with 3 shots. There's a white line. Your body cannot go beyond the white line. Anything from muzzle to tripod, it can.
Aaron, I thought you were going to clear that course.
Yeah, the far one's out there. The wind just switched a little bit, and I can't remember 100 and something. It is what it is.
Well, 8 out of 10, that's really good.
Not enough, but it's better than 6 or 7.
True. All right, so you get to shoot a lot of positional courses. Yeah. What was your favorite stage here so far?
I don't know. I mean, like, they're all different. Obviously, the favorite stage is the ones you do the best on. I don't know that I've got a favorite stage. Typically, favorite stages are the ones you do the best on.
Fair enough. Thanks.
No problem.
Impact. Impact. What do we got here? 8.
Yes! We've only had 2 other cleans, so you're the 3rd clean.
1 shot on each target.
Also from near the far?
Near the far,
Okay.
yes sir.
Yeah.
Then you are going to stand up and you're going to shoot through the hole in the roof. Alright? You can use that stool there if you want.
Impact!
Nice.
Oh, it was just.
Nice job. That was perfect.
You know, every year we try to build this competition to have some really cool target opportunities, some cool props, some barricades that you may not get to use, you know, in other situations. So. For $20,000. Let's hear it for the champion. Let's go. $20,000. First place, Matt Dummer.
First and second!
Yeah, hey, look, yeah, it's like, yeah, maybe it's going to be like the raffle. You know, if you don't call your name soon enough, let's draw another one. No. Well, that's misfortunate that he's not here. I didn't know that he'd taken off. Hey, what do you do? Hey, that's who won. You'll get to see all the rest of the celebration, the big checks, everything else at the banquet tomorrow.
Impact! 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 Impact!
Time.
15 seconds. Five seconds. Impact.
Woohoo! Nice job, John. That's a good run, bud.
Jeremy.
That was tough.
Impact.
Impact. Great, bud. 7. That's what I meant.
Sick. Actually, I challenge it, you son of a bitch. Edit that out.
Good work, bud.
Thanks, dude.
Sir, give me a quick second over here. Where are you going?
It's hot.
I know it's hot.
I'm really tired.
Just
when I got up there, I was just a little more shaky than I thought I was. The first shot on the cat, I dumped low, and then one of the shots on the mouse, I dumped low.
Yeah.
And then I tightened out on the last mouse shot. So everything else is fun. That's a cool stage.
There's lots of cool props here. Which one has been your favorite so far?
Probably this one.
Yeah. The moving target.
Yeah, I think this is definitely the most technical stage with the movement and the mover. So it's the first time ever shooting a mover too, so that's
awesome.
Cool.
All right, thanks.
Yep.
Man, that one almost kissed me. That one almost kissed me.
Nice center. I like the tension too low. Wow.
Impact.
20 seconds.
Second place. First time airgun competitor. Francis Cologne. $10,000, guys. Francis, when was the last time you won $10,000?
Impact. Impact.
Nice shoot, Francis. Nice shot. You ready? Stand by. Engage.
Impact.
30 seconds.
Impact. Impact. Impact.
For third place, for $5,000, Justin Welch. No, just sit there like a dummy, all right? Yeah, get up here.
Justin, I thought you were going to clear that last stage, buddy.
Man, you know, it was going good. Took the first shot out back and, you know, overestimated the wind. Made the correction. I think I hit the targets, but spotter couldn't see it, so we'll see. Got 2 impacts that are iffy right now, so we'll see what happens.
Yeah, it's been fun out here. It's a little bit challenging. Everybody's having a good time.
Impact.
Laurel, first time I've seen you here at an airgun competition.
Yeah, it's my very first one. I'm very excited to be here.
Yeah, I saw you on the bench press yesterday.
Yeah, that was actually my first time ever shooting bench rest, so it was very different. I was the only one standing. Everyone else was sitting their benches, and I'm like, you know what? I don't know how to do that, so I'm going to do it my own way.
Good.
I think it went okay for my first time ever doing it. Definitely wasn't great, but oh well.
Right, and where did you come to us from?
I came from Bedford, Virginia.
Okay.
Yeah, so East Coaster.
And you are in the PRS world, I assume.
Yeah, so I mostly just shoot centerfire, a little bit of 22, but mostly centerfire. So I came here because this is like the air gun of PRS. So I was like, you know what, I'll try it. And so far, it's very similar as movements to PRS, but the guns are way more finicky, so the wind affects like the slugs or the pellets a lot more. So it's a little different, but still kind of similar.
Sunday closes out the RMAC 100 and Speed Challenge events for both the Pro class and the Sportsman class, with the week's finalists pitted against each other for one last chance to take the gold. And after that, it's food, fun, awards, and raffle. And by 5 o'clock, it's all over, and everyone starts their long journeys home.
Keep your muzzle oriented in a safe direction at all times. Filling of onboard air tanks must be done at the bench forward of the ready line with the weapon on safe and muzzle pointed in the safe direction. Follow all commands from center line. Do not load your gun until instructed to do so. If you have a malfunction, you must apply immediate or remedial action properly and in a timely fashion. If the gun cannot be cleared safely, stop and ensure that the range safety officer knows of the problem and he or she can help you safely clear the malfunction.
He's really excited for whatever reason. I don't know what bench he's going to get. Hey!
Lucky!
Try and match that enthusiasm, people. Come on.
All the way down.
Once you're done, raise your hand if you want to put your rifle away. We're more than happy to help you.
And before that 2 minutes is up, I'd like to thank everybody for coming. All you people that have traveled from all over the world and from all over the country. We can't thank you enough for coming. And we've got the 20 best shooters in the world sitting here right now. I think they deserve a big round of applause. Let's go. Congratulations to all of you for making the finals. You have 30 minutes to complete your card. That will begin right now.
He said, please Lord, I got it on you. I have an angel to hold my arm. Says I know the world is good.
Steels. Crystal clear. I watched every single pellet in flight go to the target. So nice.
What magnification do you run that on?
So I'm at 36 right now to check, make sure nobody double shot my target or anything. I was running it at like 22, 23 while I was shooting, just so I could watch the pellet arc up and down. So, and it's a confidence booster too, because if you're at full magnification, you see how much you're shaking. And if you back off a little bit, it looks steadier. So it's like a little mind trick to make you feel like you're steadier than you really are. get this just huge adrenaline rush right before every time I shake like a leaf, every single time. And that's the best part.
Shooters, when you finish, if you'd like to case up your rifles, just go ahead and do so and leave them on your benches.
Coming in hot. Coming in
Coming in
hot. Talking with the back-to-back bench press champion.
Yep.
How do you feel about this relay?
Dude, I feel elated. Even if somebody's got a higher card than me, I felt like I shot the very best that I could, and I feel like I've shot the best card I've ever shot. So,
wow.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Thayne.
I had one that the wind pushed, the rest were just spot on. Yeah.
Good deal.
Yep.
Testament to your dedication to this sport.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you for all you do. All finished with your card?
I am finished.
How'd it go?
It's a good card. I don't know if it's a great card, but I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it.
Congratulations.
See what we see when we get down range, you know? Because it, like, you shoot good for you, and you shoot good for the conditions. Thank you. But then, what did everybody else do?
He's the one with only four shots on target. Yeah. He gave up halfway through.
Holy shit.
I don't want you behind the line. You gotta do it.
This is airgunning at its most exciting, at its best. This is it. Go pick the back, get the first shot. And here we go.
Ready.
Ready. Go.
Blue. Red. Blue. Red. Blue. Red. Blue. Red. Blue. Red. Blue. Red. Blue. Oh! Good shoot, gentlemen. Good shoot. Adam takes round one. Oh, man! Lauren could not miss on that last round, and she does not. Fire. Good shooting, gentlemen. Thayne Simmons is your winner. Well done, Thayne. Make some noise. Moves on to the semifinals. Loser goes home. Here we go. Make some noise, everybody. Let's go.
Yeah! Woo! All right, good luck, guys. Shooter on the right, ready? Yep. Shooter on the left, ready? Go.
Blue. 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 Red. Red. Blue. 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 Red. And moves on. Unfortunately, Brady had a little magazine issue there. Couldn't get it out. Couldn't make the mag change. And Allen took advantage.
Yep. Go.
Well done. Make the mag change. Pretty smooth. And it's a race. Miss. Justin Welch just nicks it with the edge and the tail of the pellet to get the slowest drop of all time on the stop plate, and he moves on. Brady Line, last year's 2023 speed champion. Big round of applause. Yeah. Unfortunately, is out. Blue. Blue. Red. Blue. Red. Blue. Red. Blue. Red. Blue. Red. Blue. Blue. Powder right there. Justin Welch takes on the right side. Red, 1-1.
Ready?
Yep. And we're back. Here we go.
Go.
Red. Blue. Back changes for both. Blue. 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 Red. Blue. Red. Blue. Blue. Red. Blue. Red.
There it is.
Jason.
Whoa.
Double fed twice.
Don't have a heart attack, Adam. You're doing great.
Alex Hatfield on the left. Luke Loyne on the right. Winner moves on to the fight.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Shoot on the left. Are you ready? Ready. Go.
Red. 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 Blue. Red. Blue. Red. Red. Blue. 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 I don't know if I'm right on this, but I think the very first female in a speed final.
Ready. Go.
First shot. Oh, there you go. Michael ties it up.
Oh, there we go. We got it.
All comes down to this. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise. Here we go. It's a great third place battle.
Shoot on the right. Ready. Ready. Shoot on the left. Ready. Ready. Go.
Well done, Adam. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Male versus female. FX versus Day State. This has got everything you want in the speed final. Gather around, folks. This is it. This is why we're here. $7,500 on the line.
All right. Load and make ready.
Here we go. Alex on the left. Lauren on the right.
Shoot on the right. Ready.
Ready.
Shoot on the left. Ready. Go.
Folks, make mag change. Got the first shot. Alex back on it. It's close. Oh! Alex takes round one. Lauren on the blue paddle. Alex on the red paddle. Round two.
Ready.
Ready.
Shoot on the left. Ready. Ready. Go.
Folks, make the mag change. Got the first shot. Ties it up. 1-1. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what it's all about. This is why we're here. Two of the fastest shooters in the world going head-to-head right now. Tied up 1-1. Best of three. Loser walks away with some money, but feeling really bad about themselves. Winner walks out of here, $7,500 and the 2024 Pro Speed Champion. Make some noise! Alex Hatfield, red paddles. Lauren Parsons, blue paddles. Here we go. Winner take all right here.
Shoot on the right. Ready.
Ready.
Shoot on the left. Ready. Go.
Both up, make the first shot. Back change. Round of applause for our first female speed finalist, Lauren Parsons. Awesome shooting, awesome time. Great job. Appreciate you being there. Alex, congratulations, brother. Well done, my friend. Two-time pro speed champion right there. First time ever.
Great shooting, Lauren.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm telling you, this sport is turning younger and younger every year. These young bucks are fast. And prove it again right there. Alex Hatfield.
Who blew that popper right in my ear?
For $20,000, and I would arguably say the title of the best 100-yard bench press shooter in the world, and there is absolutely no contending this for what he's done this last year with a score of, now hear this, a new RMAC record, world record, 240-8X. My Ginger Ninja, Thayne Simmons.
absolutely incredible. And Thayne, you are without a doubt not human, and it's just mind-boggling. If you could have seen the conditions, they were not easy conditions today. They were brutal. And to see these kind of scores and to put that up, and Thayne, I mean, he won, yeah.
Freaking awesome.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
Tell us how you feel.
I feel great. I feel super good. Appreciate the opportunity.
That's it.
Little late. I'm elated. It's pretty cool. Still processing. Okay. But no, I'm stoked. It's been a good last year, and to repeat this at this event it's pretty incredible. So thank you.
It's unheard of to have a two-time champion of RMAC, but you've done it back-to-back now, and you broke a world record both years in a row. Did you ever see that? I mean, you won 3 in a row last year, 3 main events, and then you come in and smash it this year. Did you ever see that? I mean, a year ago, did you ever think, I'm gonna make a heck of a living just shooting this BB gun?
No. It's all the night hunts that we do. That's what helps.
You hear that, people? It helps. Night hunting. There's thermal company, right? Am I wrong? That's what AJM's in the house. He's like, absolutely, he's right. It's going to make you a champion, make you rich. We'll move on to that. All right. Congratulations, you guys. You guys are amazing.